Document upload cancelled, PrizePicks, how to fix. Now, if while you're trying to verify your account, they ask you to upload your document and it's getting cancelled for some reason, then there could be a couple of reasons. First of all, you must make sure that it is a government issued ID, like maybe a driver's license, national ID, or a passport. And after that, you must make sure to take the picture in a very clear way without any reflection, shadows, or glare. Keep them in a solid background, remove any sort of lamination if you have done so, and take a clear picture and then only resubmit the document. So when you resubmitted the document will be processed for re-evaluation, and this time they might approve it as long as you follow all of the instructions as they say. Now, other things that you must keep in mind is you must also enter your last 4 digits of your social security number, and the documents, maybe the information on your documents must match the information within your PrizePicks account, and that way you should be able to solve the document upload process. So this way you'll be able to solve if your document upload has been cancelled. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.